Good evening, students. Today we are going to see 8th Standard Social Science, Civics, Unit 5, Road Safety and Regulations Lessons, Book Back Question and Answers. Good evening, students. Today we are going to see the book back question and answers of Unit 5, Civics, Road Safety Rules and Regulations. Take the page number 205. There is a evaluation. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. See, the first one is at a red light. The options are: you can keep going if the path looks clear. You must stop the wait for it turn green. Quickly you can reply your friend's text message. You can attend call. The answer is option B. You must stop and wait for it turn green. Second one is pedestrians can cross the road only dash. The answer is at zebra crossing. The third one is Road Safety Week is celebrated in the month of dash every year. The answer is January. Then fourth one, for emergency call dash for ambulance service. The answer is option A, 108. Then we pass on to the next page, 206. See, the fifth question is, what are the causes for the road accident? Answer all of these. Sixth one is, the first category of traffic signs is, the answer is mandatory signs. Then seventh one is Setu Bharatam. A program was launched in dash. The answer is option C, 2016. Then eighth one, expand ABS. The answer is option C, anti-locking brake system. Then we pass on to the ninth question. See, overtaking when approaching a bend is, the answer is option B, not permissible. Then 10th one, when the ambulance is approaching, the answer is option C, allow free passage by drawing to the side of the road. Next we pass on to the fill in the blanks. See, first one, always keep dash while driving. The answer is left, L-E-F-T, left. L-E-F-T, write down L-E-F-T, left. The second one, mandatory signs are exhibited in dash shape. The answer is circular shape, C-I-R-C-U-L-A-R, circular. C-I-R-C-U-L-A-R, circular shape. Then third one is dash controls the speed of the vehicle. The answer is speed governor. Speed governor, S-P-E-E-D, speed governor, G-O-V-E-R-N-O-R, speed governor. Then fourth one is higher the speed dash the risk. The answer is greater, G-R-E-A-T-E-R, greater the risk. Then fifth one, use of dash in four-wheelers and dash for two-wheelers has been brought under law. The answer is seat belt, use of seat belt, S-E-A-T-B-E-L-T, seat belt and helmet for two-wheeler, H-E-L-M-E-T, helmet, H-E-L-M-E-T, helmet for two-wheelers. Okay, then we pass on to the match the following. We pass on to the match the following. Roman letter 3. See, the first one is pollution under control certificate. The answer is 6 months. Second one, one-time tax for new car. The answer is 15 years. Then third one, pedestrian. The answer is zebra crossing. Then the fourth one, Brasilia Declaration. The answer is global conference. The answer is global conference. Then fifth one, Swachha Saver. The answer is comic book on road safety. Comic book on road safety. Okay, next we pass on to the true or false. State Roman letter 4. State true or false. Now the first one is the problem of accident lies with roads only. The answer is false. F-A-L-S-E. The answer is false. Second one, check mirrors before changing lanes. Answer is true. T-R-U-E. The third one is flashing yellow signal indicates to slow down and proceed with caution. The answer is true. Fourth one, on a two-wheeler only 1 billion rider is allowed. The answer is true. Fifth one, the roads are one of the worst invention of man. The answer is false. Okay, next we pass on to the consider the following statement and tick the appropriate answer. First question is, which of the following statement is or not correct? The answer is option D. Option D, 3 and 4 only. Option D, 3 and 4 only. Option D. Then the second one, ascertain A. Drunken driving causes accident. Reason, it hampers vision due to dizziness. The answer is option A. A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Next we pass on to the third one. See, the third one, ascertain வந்து road signs are easy to comprehend. Reason, they are mostly pictorial. The answer is option B. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Then fourth one, find the odd one out. Road safety rules. Slow down on the bends, maintain speed limit, use cell phone while driving, avoid walking on roads. So the answer is option C, use cell phone while driving. Okay, next we pass on to the Roman letter 5. Roman letter 5, the following signs represent the following signs வந்து இதெல்லாம் வந்து மார்க் பண்ணுது அப்படிங்கிறத நமக்கு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன் சிம்பிள் பாருங்கள். திஸ் இஸ் ஒன் வே. ரைட் டவுன் ONEWAY, ஒன் வே. தென் த நெக்ஸ்ட் சிம்பிள் இஸ் பெடஸ்ட்ரியன் கிராசிங். பெடஸ்ட்ரியன், PEDESTRIAN, பெடஸ்ட்ரியன் crossing, crossing, pedestrian crossing. Third one பாருங்க, ஒரு பெல் ஹார்ன் சிம்பிள் போட்டு அதை கிராஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. தட் இஸ் ஹார்ன்ஸ் ப்ரொஹிபிட்டட், HORNS ஹார்ன்ஸ், prohibited, PROHIBITED, horns prohibited. Then next one பாருங்க, that is called hospital, HOSPITAL, hospital. Then next one, fifth one பாருங்க, that is right hand curve, RIGHT, right hand, 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 curve, CURVE, right hand curve. Then the last one is men at work, men at work, WORK, men at work. Next we pass on to the next. Answer the following in one or two sentences. Okay, first question, how do you ensure road safety? See, turn the page number. How do you ensure road safety? Take the page number 205. See, the top corner of the page is there a paragraph conclusion. See there, road traffic accident are predictable and therefore preventable, so everyone should strictly follow the road safety rules and signs. Up to this you can mark it as answer of the first question. Then we pass on to the second question, is why road safety is very important to us. Take the page number 198. Take the page number 198. Is there a paragraph? Introduction paragraph is there, no? In that, see the 10th line. Road safety is primarily meant about to protect and provide security of all these who travel on roads. Up to this you can mark as second question. Then we pass on to the third one. What are the direct consequences of road accidents? So take the same page number 198, same page number 198. You can mark direct consequences of the accident is fatality, that is death, injury, property damage. Up to this you can mark these three are the direct consequences of accident. Next we pass on to the fourth question. Draw traffic light signals and indicates the meaning. Okay, the fourth question is not there in the book. I think you know the signal. You can draw the traffic lights, is there there is a, take the page number 202. There is a traffic light, night light signals is there, no? Lights at night is there. You can draw the same traffic lights and mark it as near red. You can mark it as stop, and near yellow you can mark it as slow down, slow, SLOWTOWN. And then near green you can mark it as go. You can draw the signs of, you can draw the traffic signal light picture and write down stop, slow down and go. This is the answer of fourth question. Okay, draw the picture and write these three words. This is the answer of fourth question. Next we pass on to the fifth one. Write a note on Brazilla Declaration on Road Safety. So fifth question is about road safety. You just take the page number. Take the page number 204. There no 204. There is a paragraph, no, Brazilla Declaration on Road Safety. You can just mark it is second global high level conference on road safety, sponsored by the WHO, taking road safety as a serious issue. India signed Brazilla Declaration in 2015, through which the participants across the world are committed to improve road safety and ways to reduce the traffic deaths by the end of this decade. Up to this you can mark answer of fifth question. Then we pass on to the sixth one. What is the aim of observing Road Safety Week? What is the aim of observing Road Safety Week? The same page you can take Road Safety Week is there nowhere. There is a paragraph 204th page. Road Safety Week. Road Safety Week is a national event aimed at raising public awareness about traffic rules and ultimately to reduce casualties due to road accidents. It is also intended to reinforce road safety behavior among road users. Up to this you can mark it as the answer of sixth question. Then we pass on to the seventh one. Write any 4 traffic rules. Write any 4 traffic rules. Take the page number 202. There is a picture is there, no? Under that traffic rules in India is there a paragraph. In that you just mark it on one way road. The driver should allow the overtaking vehicle through the right. Never park the vehicle in reverse on a one-way street. On a two-way road, the driver must drive on left side of the road. It is mandatory for the driver to slow down at all interjunctions and pedestrian crossing. Driver should not use the horns in prohibited areas like hospital zones, school zones, etc. Up to this you can mark it as the answer of 7th question. Okay. Then we pass on to the 8th one. How does alcohol affect driving? How the alcohol affect driving? You just take the page number. The answer of 8th question is, take the page number 199. 199. See the top corner. Drunken driving is there, no? Consumption of alcohol reduces concentration. It hampers vision due to dizziness, and driving under the influence of alcohol causes accidents. Random breath test is done to detect consumption of alcohol. Up to this you can mark it as 8. Okay students, then we pass on to the detailed answer. Answer the following in detail. First one is, explain the factors contributed for road accidents. So you just take the page number 198. 198. You start from here. Over speeding is there, no? From that you mark it as big question. Start from over speeding and up to the next page. Weather conditions: fog, snow, heavy rainfall, wind storms and hailstorms. Up to this you can mark it as big question, first one. Okay, then we pass on to the second one. Describe the steps taken by the government of India to prevent road accident. Just take the page number 203. In page number 203, there is a paragraph, steps taken by the government to prevent road accident. Just mark from there. The Ministry of the Road Transport and Highways has taken a number of steps to prevent road accident and road accident fatalities. Start from here and up to next turn the next page, 204 up to major breakdowns, congestions and so on. Up to this you can mark it as big question 2. Then we pass on to the third one. What are the preventive measures of road accident? road accident உடைய preventive measures என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Third one, take the page number 199. 199. See, start from safety measures. Big question. Third one, start from safety measures. Always keep to the left. Start from here and turn the page number. Next page up to for pedestrians paragraph is there. No, cross only at zebra crossing. The 2 minutes time that you waste for the signals are worth your life. Never cross on road and yellow light. Take a sidewalk and avoid walking on the roads. Up to this you can mark big question third one. You can mark it as big question third one. Okay students, we marked all the questions. Next I'll see you in another video with a new lesson. Thank you students. இந்த சேனல் நீங்கள் ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. பக்கத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் ஐக்கான் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்போ தான் இந்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்கள் ஃபோனுக்கு வரும். மற்றும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.